In this video tutorial, I am going to design the components of slider assembly. So in this video, we are going to make the components or like some of the components, and in the next video, I am going to make the assembly video for this slider assembly or mechanism. So this is the arm 1. So arm 1 1.1, this is the first picture of the arm. So the units are in millimeter. I'm going to design that. So go to create, and then I'm going to select this top surface and go to create, and under the slot I am going to select a center to center slot, center point slot. So this is my center point slot. Just draw it. Go to sketch dimension. So total length is 300 from this. Go to sketch dimension. This length is 300, and this dimension it's given in radius form. So just click on here and change it to toggle diameter. So this diameter is given as 10, and just zoom it, and again go to circle and draw a 2 circle here on the center of these arc or the half circles. Then go to create, sketch dimension, and this dimension is given as 7.5, and this dimension is also given as 7.5, and finish this sketch. Go to home view, extrude, and this extrusion is given as 5 mm, and click OK. So this is the arm 1. Okay. Now I am going to make the arm 2. So this is the dimensions of the arm 2. So total length is from center to center is 300 plus 300 600, and the diameter of this half circle is given as 10, and there is other circle having the same center of this arc with 7.5, and there is another this slot. This dimension is also given. It's from this center it's 15, and from this center to this center the distance between these two centers is also 15. So this is 10, and the diameter of this bigger arc or center circle is 30 millimeter, and having the same center there is another circle whose dimension is 7.5. So again go to create, select this top surface, go to create, slot, center point slot, like that, and select the dimension tool. From this center to this center it's 300, and for this it's 15 radius, but we needed that dimension in diameter form. So go here, right click and diameter, and again go to slot and center point slot, select this center, go here and like that, just draw it. Again go to sketch dimension, from this center to this center it's 15, and the inner slot has diameter of, this diameter is 10. So this diameter is 10, radius will be 5. So just go here and change it to diameter. So dimension will be shown in diameter. Again go to circle, draw a circle, and the diameter of this circle is 7.5. again go to when you zoom it you can see it's where it's showing like in a scale dimension, and this dimension is 7.5. so if you zoom out it will be like showing in a point, but when you zoom in it will be shown. So finish the sketching, go to extrude and select this inner profile, this profile of that. So this dimension is it's 20, so 20, and there is another cut. As you see there is a circular cut. Its total length is 570 and diameter is 15. So I am going to look for the plane. So go to this folder origin and this plane we need it. So go to create, select this plane YZ and select the create sketch. And now in the middle we needed to draw a circle. So this is the circle and the diameter of the circle is 15. And as you know the total extrusion was 20. So from this to this its total was like 30. So from here to here it must be 15 if we want to make in the middle, and from this point to this point it must be 10. So we are basically going to make it in the center and finish the, go to this view and extrude, and as you see the sketch is already selected. So for this I am going to select symmetry, and there is half length. I am going to select total length, it's 570, and make sure the operation is cut. So that way we make a circular cut, that if you and it's arm 2. Now there is a base. I am going to design a base like that in the Fusion 360. So just save this model, go to create, and I am going to select this plane, and after selecting this plane I am going to draw a circle like that and like that. Two circle I draw, just zoom in or zoom out to make it visible. Go to create sketch dimension, and this dimension is given as 15 and this dimension is given as 7.5 radius. So it will be like that, just zoom in or zoom out. Then I am going to select a line tool and draw a line like that at some angle. Then draw straight line, horizontal line, and again draw a line like here. Go to constraint. I am going to select the tangent constraint. So I want this line and this circle tangent. I want this circle and this line tangent. Next I am going to define some dimensions, as you can see in the picture. So from center to this line it's 10, from here to here it's 15 and 15. So center to this line it's 10, okay, and this point it's 15, and from this point to this point it's also 15. Now this sketch is done, and select these two profiles, and for the extrusion you can see that it's 10. So we needed 10 millimeter. Okay, it's done. Then next step is that we needed to make a cut. So make sure you select the right plane for it. So go to origin, and for the planes we needed that plane. Select that plane and like that, and draw in the middle a rectangle like that. Go to create sketch dimension and make sure you will add the dimension. So from this center, this region, it's 7.5 and it's 2.5 from the sides, and from here to here it's 7.5. So from here to here it's 7.5, and from this point to this point it's 2.5, and from center to this bottom it's 7.5. and make sure this triangle rectangle is above that edge, so it is not like that form. Make sure it will be above that edge of the model, and finish. Then go to extrude and select the symmetry, and after the symmetry select all, so it will make a cut throughout the model, and make sure the operation is cut. Okay, it's base 1, so save it to base 1. Now I am going to draw the base 2. So it's done. This is base 2. Same thing, but the extrusion is now 30. So we can also edit this model and save as, or we can just simply make another model like that, same way. Sketch dimension. This dimension is 7.5, this dimension is 15, and make it like that, a feasible location for you. Then select the line, draw straight line, make sure a horizontal line, then like that, then from this point to this point. Then if the automatically you did not add the tangent relation between the circle and this line, then go to tangent, select the circle and this line, select the circle and this line, go to create sketch dimension. From here to here it's 10, and from here to here it's 15. Again from here to this point, this is also 15. Finish. Go to extrude, select these two profiles, and now the extrusion is 30. So okay, extrusion is 30. Now we needed to make the cut like that. 7.5, total is 16, 5, and also from here to here this is also 5. So go to create, make sure you select this plane. If you are not like able to select this plane and this part is becoming selected instead of this plane, you can go here and select this plane from here. Now it's selected. Select the 2-point rectangle, draw a rectangle like that, go to create sketch dimension. From here to here it's 5, also from here to here it's 5, total is 16, from here to here it's 7.5. Finish and extrude. Make sure this is selected. Like if you try to select this and this model is coming in the way of you, then you can go here on bodies and turn off this bodies and select this one, and then turn on the bodies, and make sure you select symmetry, then distance all to make the cut on both sides, and click save. This is on 2. And then the next part is base. It's 630 and 50, and extrusion is 5. So for base, select this plane, select 2-point rectangle, draw like that, go to create sketch dimension. This dimension is 630, this dimension is 50, finish, extrude. Now this extrusion is given as 5, so distance is 5. Okay, this is save it to base, save. So this is the last component of the slider assembly. In the next video I am going to make the assembly.